The new GoPro Hero 12 is here at last. Hooray! And in this video, we're going to take you through the unboxing and the first steps of setting up your GoPro Hero 12. So now we have this little white box here. So unlike other years, we don't have like a little carry case, but that's okay. Now we're going to open it up inside and find out what's inside. Oh, there we go. Put it up like that, and here we go. We open that. Oops. So first thing to fall out is your camera must be updated before you can use it. So we're going to follow the steps here. Okay, so there's also this little blue card here which tells you to subscribe to GoPro. Their subscription service is actually pretty good. Then we have a very simple guide here which kind of goes through the steps of how to charge up your GoPro and how to put the battery in and the SD card as well. A couple of GoPro stickers. There's some pro tips here for best performance in cold weather. There's also a bit of a book here with a few details here in a few different languages. Product and safety instructions comes with every GoPro. And now here, if we have a look, is where we find the goodness. Okay, so first of all, we've got a USB-C to a USB-A charging cable. That will definitely come in very handy. Here, we've got the Enduro battery, which GoPro introduced about a year or two ago. Amazing battery, or compared to the old blue one, which wasn't much chop. So there we go, we get one Enduro battery. Then we've got our mounting buckle, GoPro mounting buckle. We've also got the thumb screw, which comes in super handy. And we also have an adhesive mount here. So if you want to say chuck it onto your helmet, for example, okay? But the piece de resistance, the thing we're most excited about, is the new GoPro Hero 12. So let's just carefully take it out of the box. All right, so there's your GoPro Hero. And it's got a cover here over the lens and over the front facing screen and the rear facing screen, and a reminder that your camera must be updated before you can use it. So that's really, really key. Now the first thing you're going to notice is it looks pretty much the same in form factor as the 9, 10 and the 11, except it has the number 12 here. But also see how the exterior is actually quite speckled. The case is speckled like eggs that you used to I used to get from the hen house when I was a kid. Okay, so that's your recording button here on top, and it's all black, no red markings on it. This one here is your power and your mode button on the side. Everything else is pretty much the same. Here on the bottom is something new and exciting. You'll see here how you have like a normal mount for other cameras, which other cameras have for tripods, okay? So that one means you don't actually always have to use GoPro's accessories with your GoPro. You can actually just screw it into a normal mount. So that's a pretty exciting new feature of the GoPro. Okay, so we've unpacked everything and now let's put our GoPro together. One thing I like to add is that you're gonna need a micro SD card, and this is one I've actually bought earlier. It's a brand which I use all the time and really like this brand and this particular version of their SD card. It's the Extreme Pro from SanDisk. So now we're just going to turn on the mode button here, or the power button here. Going to press on that, and there's that beautiful sweet sound. And there you go. Your GoPro has fired up. There's already some battery charge on the battery, which is exciting. So now I'm going to go through our language options. Okay, now let's get this boring legal stuff one. Alright, now the turn tells you about voice control. So you can turn on to control the camera using your voice. Okay, that's a really, really cool feature that we have featured previously in our other videos. Now it says that your voice control language is set to English US. Now I'm just going to grab my phone, which has got the Quik app installed on it, and we're going to show you the next part of setting up your GoPro Hero 12. Now, from the phone, we're going to tap on this little icon down the bottom here where it has the little GoPro camera near my finger. So we're going to tap on that. Now in the top right hand corner, there's a little icon there where it has a plus and then it has a GoPro. So we're going to tap on that one there. Now it's going to bring up this screen here where it says searching for camera, which you can clearly see there. So what it's doing, it's kind of searching for a new camera, and whoop-diddy-doo-doo-dah, it's found my new Hero 12 Black. So it says we found your GoPro, and all you need to do is press connect. Haha, says connected. Now this is where you can name your GoPro. So we're going to save new name. So we're going to hit update camera. Now it says connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi, and it's searching for devices. So it says it's going to use a temporary Wi-Fi network. We're going to hit connect. Okay, so here it comes up with the firmware license, which has all the legalities which you can read, and if you're happy with that you can press accept and continue. Now it says it's transferring the update to your camera. Gone to a slightly different screen now. It's got that spinning cog. Oh, there you go, beep beep beep. And we have a new screen here. Now, confirm that auto upload is on, which means that when you have your GoPro connected to power, you can actually upload your content automatically to the cloud. Hit on continue over here. That's going to say you can free up SD space with auto clear. That's an option you can choose as well. So what that means is that when you do upload your photos to the GoPro app or to the cloud, you can automatically wipe any footage off your SD card so you have more space for the next time you want to use it, which can be a handy feature. You can change these settings later if you wish. Now I'm going to click on all done. Now it says that your Hero 12 Black is now all ready. Okay, so now you're all set up and you're good to go. But to learn all the awesome features from the GoPro Hero 12, you want to click on this video over here right now.